DJI is rumored to announce the Neo 2 and Avata 3 very soon, sparking excitement across both beginner and FPV drone communities. Whispers hint at a surprising twist in size, control, and visual capability, possibly changing what we expect from compact and immersive flight experiences. In today's video, we break down everything that has leaked so far and help you figure out which of these upcoming drones might be worth saving for. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to continue the trend of ultra-compact and beginner-friendly drone designs, much like its predecessor. While concrete images have not been leaked yet, expectations suggest that the Neo 2 could maintain or slightly refine the palm-sized dimensions, with possible improvements in material quality and structural durability. DJI might enhance the minimalistic physical controls seen on the original Neo, integrating a more streamlined button interface or even capacitive touch sensors to operate features directly on the drone's body. In terms of display and control interface, the Neo 2 might continue leaning heavily on mobile app integration. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 3 is expected to retain the signature form factor of its FPV lineage. Based on evolutionary patterns seen from the Avata to Avata 2, the next one may incorporate a slightly more aerodynamic shell with improved ducted propeller design. Unlike the Neo 2, which might omit a traditional controller, the Avata 3 is anticipated to be fully compatible with the DJI goggles and an updated RC motion controller. With the rumored inclusion of a refined pair of DJI goggles, possibly with upgraded micro OLED displays, the Avata 3 may offer a much sharper and more responsive first-person view. The Neo 2 might feature an upgraded camera sensor compared to the original Neo, which sported a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. If DJI chooses to evolve this platform, a 1-inch sensor could be a likely step forward. While not much is confirmed, there is also chatter about multi-directional obstacle avoidance sensors being introduced on the Neo 2, something the original Neo lacked. In comparison, the DJI Avata 3 is speculated to push its sensor capabilities even further, potentially surpassing the 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor found in the Avata 2. The Avata 3 might be equipped with a larger sensor and upgraded optics to better support low-light environments and dynamic shooting conditions. Additionally, the Avata 3 will likely inherit and improve upon the advanced obstacle detection and avoidance systems seen in its predecessor. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to build on the features that made the original Neo a hit among beginners. Intelligent flight modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, Boomerang, and Asteroid are likely to remain. One unique aspect rumored to arrive with the Neo 2 is voice control, allowing pilots to issue basic commands without touching a controller or phone screen. There is also speculation about a quick shot button directly on the drone that allows users to toggle between cinematic flight patterns with a single tap. Meanwhile, the DJI Avata 3 is expected to cater to a more advanced crowd. One major rumor is the inclusion of real-time augmented reality overlays via the new DJI goggles. Additionally, the Avata 3 is anticipated to support an expanded set of flight modes, including enhanced manual mode capabilities and fully customizable gimbal behavior. There might also be deeper integration with DJI's Fly app, offering a split-screen view for FPV and map tracking simultaneously, enhancing safety and navigation. If DJI equips the Neo 2 with a 1-inch CMOS sensor as speculated, it could offer 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with high dynamic range and improved low light performance. This would be a notable upgrade over the original Neo. DJI might also enhance the onboard image stabilization algorithms, although it is less likely that the Neo 2 will support mechanical gimbals due to space constraints. The DJI Avata 3, on the other hand, is expected to excel in cinematic FPV footage. Rumors hint at support for 4K at 120 frames per second or even higher, possibly including 10-bit D-Log recording for professionals seeking high color depth and post-processing flexibility. The existing Rocksteady and Horizon Steady stabilization systems are expected to see further refinement. Battery life is one of the most important considerations for drone pilots, and the DJI Neo 2 is rumored to improve upon the already decent flight time of the original model. With a predicted increase in battery density and improved energy efficiency, the Neo 2 might reach up to 20 minutes of continuous flight under optimal conditions. Given the drone's light frame and likely lack of mechanical gimbals, this estimate seems plausible. The DJI Avata 3, with its higher performance demands and FPV gear, is expected to feature a more robust battery system. Following the Avata 2's 50.1 watt-hour power unit, the Avata 3 could either increase capacity slightly or improve flight efficiency to stretch the usage time to around 30 minutes. As of now, both the DJI Neo 2 and DJI Avata 3 are rumored to launch in late 2025, although DJI has not officially confirmed any details. The Neo 2, being positioned as an entry-level, user-friendly drone, is expected to be priced competitively. Industry chatter suggests it could be launched in the range of $400 to $500, depending on whether DJI includes a controller or goggles bundle. The Avata 3 is therefore expected to carry a premium price tag. Rumors indicate a starting price of at least $1,200 for the base combo, including the updated goggles and motion controller. A standalone version of the drone could be priced lower. Although both drones are still under wraps, the rumored specifications and features paint a compelling picture of DJI's dual strategy. The DJI Neo 2 seems to focus on simplicity, portability, and creative ease, making it a fantastic option for beginners and casual creators who want to fly with minimal setup. The DJI Avata 3, on the other hand, is expected to extend the boundaries of immersive flight with professional-grade imaging and advanced FPV capabilities. Choosing between the two will come down to your use case. If you want simplicity, convenience, and creative automation, the Neo 2 might be the one to wait for. If high-speed flight, immersive control, and professional video quality are more your style, the Avata 3 will be worth the investment. So, that's all for today about the upcoming DJI drones. Share what new features and improvements you expect from these drones in the comments. Thanks for watching.